Well, it's not looking very good. As you can see up on the summit there, just up there, all the wind's coming off. Some really fast winds up to about 100 kilometers an hour. You can see it just along through here. And there's Tasman. All the wind's coming off up through there. There's some more winds. It's really crazy winds up there. I don't think we'll get a chance to climb it. That's Mount Cook. That's the north summit just there, the highest point. So we climbed the Anzacs today, which are those points just up through the centre there.